Y'all, good afternoon, or whatever time frame you guys are seeing this. Good afternoon, good morning. But today is Sunday, June 2nd. Yes, June 2nd. And today we decided to do another video. It's your girl Taya, and it's your
boy
Ace. He played too much, but y'all. So the thing about it, y'all, I fell from my other channel. Y'all know I was washing the other in our laundry room, but the last time we washed our clothes, people was just so nasty, and our clothes got stained up. So now we're not washing our clothes no more here. Myself here at these units or whatever. So it's okay. We all about to leave. Just wait. And yeah, so our clothes got stained up when these nasty washing machines. Cause like when I first moved here, like even though like the price ain't bad, I had told him like, you don't think we should wash at the laundromat? But he no. I'm like, okay, cool. So now he wanna take my favorite thoughts and wash at the laundromat. So y'all, you might need a bag for these clothes right here, because these clothes didn't fit. So Erin, come help me put these clothes in the basket. These big clothes. So we'll go ahead and put these clothes in a bag right here or something. Come on. Come on, use both your hands. Come on. Help. Come on. They had some laundromat, and we decided to bring y'all along with us. What's up? Hurry up, come on, move fast. So y'all wanna ride along with us while we go to the laundromat? Because we got way enough clothes and stuff. You know, summertime is here. We're almost here. You know, the pools are open and stuff like that. Water parks and stuff are open, you know, so make sure you have enough clothes. You gotta wash the kids' swimsuits and stuff like that, our swimsuits, stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, you better not. This dog, he about to. Come on, close in there. But y'all, I'll see y'all next clip. Almost done, y'all. Come on. Almost done. Get her. Thank you. Come on. A little bit more. And we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to the car, and we'll see y'all at the laundromat. Come on.
What's wrong with you, bro? Huh? Huh? Fat ass.
So say hi. Hey.
Ooh. Hot.
How you feel this morning, baby? Don't make your ass straight on.
God woke me up. Can be no better than that.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't get no better than that.
How you feel, Erin? You feeling good? Seth, how you feeling, Seth? You feeling good? And I'm feeling good, y'all. Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. The guys' day is going good so far. And y'all, this weather just keep going up and down. Yesterday it was raining all last night. It's crazy. But once it becomes summer, baby, it's gonna be summer. It's gonna be hotter than hot. Y'all comment down below what videos you guys want to see on our channel. And
comment, like, share, subscribe. Most definitely share and like. Exactly what she said. Got y'all.
And then I was just thinking, once we get 1,000 subscribers, what y'all want to do? A giveaway? A giveaway? Once we get 1,000 subscribers, let them know that we rock with them.
Let's do a giveaway once we hit 2,000.
2,000?
We'll do a $100 giveaway or a $100 gift card once we hit 2,000.
So 2,000 subscribers, y'all. We'll be doing a giveaway of cash, gift card, e-gift card, but most likely might be an e-gift card because that's the most effective way for us instead of doing it for cash.
And we're gonna make it as simple as this: the last subscriber we get, that's who gets the $100 gift card. The last subscriber.
The last subscriber.
We can check it to tell who was the last subscriber. Right?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so yeah, we'll do it like that.
If you are the last subscriber,
to the one that reached the 2,000,
yes,
that's who get it.
So once we hit 1,999, 1,999, and then the last subscriber for 2,000 is the winner.
Right.
And yeah, every video we will be mentioning this. So if you're the last subscriber for 2,000 subscribers, you will be the winner. So y'all don't get to try to subscribe at the last minute either. because since we new to this channel, we just trying to know.
Or we can split it up too, 50-50, and give it to two people. $50 to the last two.
The last two subscribers. So if you subscribe 1,999 and subscribe to 2,000, hey y'all. So y'all comment down below what y'all think is the best way. Should one person just get $100 or split it between two people for $50? So you think that's better?
Yeah, I mean that works. Either one.
Erlen, what you think, Erlen?
I think it's 1 million.
Oh yeah.
Oh, 1 million.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we most definitely need that.
1 million?
Yeah.
Oh. Woo. 1 million subscribers. We're gonna go. Never know what we're gonna do, but most
Go all the way up. All the way up. Nothing can stop you. All the way up.
Oh. Seth, what you think, Seth? You agree? Okay. He said he agreed. But y'all, we almost at this laundromat though. Yeah, if y'all rock with us, cause y'all, I got my own personal channel, which I be including my family as well. But this is our family channel where we include everything that's family related, and sometimes I might throw a little clips on my channel too as well. Cause on my channel I do cleaning,
some little comedy skits, little prank skits of us,
Yeah.
We like this all the time. I'm always playing, she always playing. We silly all the time. So,
So yeah, y'all. Oh, but majority, cause I think we're gonna be doing all our prank stuff on this channel and stuff. So y'all, if y'all wanna see us do some pranks, comment down below what pranks to do, or you guys can email me. I'm gonna give y'all separate email though. So
don't get too attached to one channel. Look at both of them. They both will be working.
yeah, cause we working this channel and we working both channels. So keep going up. If you guys rock with us, hold on, wait. If you guys are rock with us on both channels, y'all watch both videos, all videos for each channel, because yeah, see it right next to a crazy change. But
someday I hope it's open.
laundromat's open 7 days a week, baby. They want that money.
Just thought about it.
You did, oh. But y'all,
Just noon, early noon.
so y'all just know, just support us on both channels, and each comment, and if you guys want a shout out for supporting us on both channels.
We got drop off services too.
Both of them be touching our clothes, stealing our clothes.
No disrespect and nothing like that. But you know them Latinos and Mexicans, they know how to wash, bro. They should be smelling good.
Yeah, they do though.
Fresh. And
But
Right.
you know, nowadays people be on some other stuff. Nobody spending our clothes.
But no, we can do that shit ourselves. We
Yeah,
don't need
but
them services.
now I'm saying like if we had something to do, then yeah.
Those services
Right.
yet.
But y'all, let's go ahead and head to this laundromat, get the stuff out, and we'll see how we can get a sack.
Guys, so we got outfits at home. And we're going to go to the airport. So we're going to family going to the airport and wear our outfits. And I'm decided to wear my earrings and stuff. It's going to be so nice and cute.
This is 1050 right here.
1050 for what?
1050. This is the nice out. Get the whole.
This olive? Oh, colors?
No, we'll see. You might, because we don't got the. That's way. You need way more.
1050 like sheets and stuff. Like a lot of covers.
You see how big that is?
I know, but I'm saying like big covers and stuff. Though.
These are like 26 for. What my goodness.
She's probably using them. What's this? Look, they go like these.
Huh?
Right?
Probably some on this other side. Put the tea all the side. Yeah, we're on the other side too. We go for it. We got
Look,
we could do
colors.
I could do the colors all in here. Yep.
Yeah, sit down, Seth.
So we put like 2 or 3 pounds.
What color?
2.
Huh? This one? All right, thank you. It's a lot.
We'll use one of these for the black.
Okay.
Once it starts, too, you can also go ahead and add a little bit in here too with it. Once it starts.
Fabric softener?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know, that's how we used to always do anyway. It's cold.
Come down. Oh, okay. I think 22. He's 26.
It might be bigger though. Yeah, it might be bigger.
Because I'm looking at it.
A lot of damn quarters.
I saw them. These big ass washing dragons.
Big dumbass.
God damn. You motherfucking good.
Yeah, this motherfucker get hot. You get hot.
So all our clothes in one load.
Straight up.
Y'all ever saw this before? This is my first time.
Size chair.
Look, I got massage chairs in here.
The Chicago Bears is retired. Visit WordClockIllinois.com.
That one over there, I want to do it. That's not done. It's up to the top. See how to use for lighting up. That one not done yet. That one is not done yet. Yeah. Come on.
Let's get some more water.
Down here. Pick that up. Yeah, go ahead. Watch it.
Watermelon. Damn.
What's this? This one almost done.
Yeah, except for the rest again.
That shit. Let's get this. And the light will be off.
Oh, what's that?
What? Where's the clothes?
What's that?
That's where you put the washing powder and stuff inside.
Ooh.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Washing powder.
Clothes.
Y'all, the clothes are almost done. They're going to dry. You probably not going. You probably fold our clothes up here. You probably. That's a big thing. But you probably just do it at home. You gonna fold the clothes up here or at home? So you gonna fold the clothes up here. That's my kids back there running. The daddy chasing me. Cause I don't got the energy right now. I'm tired. And my eggs sweaty because it's hot as fuck in here. You can tell it's hot as hell. Look. I just wasted some extra control for nothing, y'all. Wasted extra control for nothing. Whew. What about him? Y'all, we done
What's that?
washing. And now we about to dry. Come on, Aaron. Push your cart. Dang, we waited. Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Y'all, you about to use them big old washing them big old dryers. But hopefully they got some more big ones. We'll see. Yeah, we haven't been to the laundromat in so long. But I'm not knocking no off. We gotta go. But we always had a washer and dryer in our house. And our units and stuff like that. So, what's up? So you just gonna use the regular ones? You gonna use the regular dryers? This heat in here make me feel like crap. Should we go on this side? Because it's like everybody using this side.
Yes.
So you know we got to all eyes at. Stop pushing it. Push it the other way. Push it that way. Okay. I got the sheets.
Sí, por supuesto, hombre.
Y'all so hot in here, but we just waiting till the clothes get done drying and stuff. What you doing, Seth?
Yep, it's a waiting game now, y'all. You know, we don't feel comfortable leaving our clothes and shit up here because we spend bread on our clothes. We ain't got no ordinary clothes. Our shit be costing hundreds. I ain't gonna say no thousands, but they be costing hundreds, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we don't feel comfortable just leaving because I do want to go watch the truck up real quick right down the street, but I'll just wait till we get out.
Seth. Come here. Now he just ran out the door. That ain't funny, but sit down. It's not funny.
It's the waiting game now.
Gotta come sit down.
They got the hockey table up in here, out of order. Gum, and seem like they've been in there for thousands of years. Yep, no thank you.
I got some candy. Not this candy.
Say hey, Livo.
I like that.
No. Self, sit him up for his head.
Of course, y'all know the youngins gotta have some after y'all.
You can't get whatever you want up there. Whatever they eat.
Vendors, toy vendors.
I want this.
That's what it gave you, baby.
I don't like it. I want this.
That's what it gave you. You gotta get what it gave you.
I don't like it.
Look over. Miss up.
It gave you what it gave you. We can't predict what it gives you. It's gonna give you what it gives you. Huh? Wanna put it on?
Necklace.
Huh? See, put it around your neck.
They love this.
Yeah.
Don't like it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get you a cue. Like that one there.
Get it through them.
Miss up. Yeah. No.
Okay. Okay. That's cute. See? Cute. Oh, shit. What is that?
Now he gonna put in his mouth.
What is that, sir? What is
Put that
this?
down. That's all that's in the thing.
What is that?
So you can shake. Put it back in here so you can shake it.
What is it? Like that?
You put it back in there.
Huh.
50 cents. Twist. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Yep, that's it. What's that? What's that?
Come on, man. Come sit down. Don't stop trying. That's what it gave you.
The machine gave you
You
that.
want this one? You want stuff to have it?
Get the stuff.
You want to get the stuff? Or you want it? You want to put two on? You going to get the stuff? One stuff?
Now he just tied it up to make sure his tab but's not really tight. See, sir? Ooh.
Bling, bling. Let's see, Seth. Let's see. Bling, bling. That's what you got.
Y'all see this? Chronicles of Having a Daughter. I don't know, he lost her. This little girl is, well, I blame it on her dad because he be spoiling her. I be telling him, what if you have another one? You know, self. But this the girl spoiled because of her dad, y'all.
it up, Adam. Big dog, couldn't mess us. Huh? Huh?
No clothes, my clothes. Clothes, big clothes. Your clothes.
My clothes.
You're separate.
You should. You put them in the cupboard. You cut that out?
Y'all, so we done floating. Now we got to head out and probably go wash the car and we'll talk to you guys in the next clip. It's finally at the laundromat. My edges done got sweated out because it's hotter than you know what in the month. Whew. It's in the for like a good 2 hours. 2 hours and some change, y'all. Yeah. Get in that camera, boy. Get in that camera. Sit back, Arrow. Seatbelt on. I'll tell you about that. Seatbelt. So you can be safe. Remember Dora said, put it on. She said, got his on, you put yours on. Ooh, y'all, we is hotter than hot. And then it's AC. Need to be on icebox mode because, baby, your girl is hot. Shit. Like you said, I'm hot, y'all, but it's 70 degrees out here and the sun out here is just beaming for no reason. Like, yeah, really. Now, y'all, we headed to the car wash. We at the car wash. I forgot what movie that was. We got the car wash, girl. I don't know about something else.
My membership still active.
Y'all about to vacuum the car. The kids, it's on the AC, so. We done vacuuming. Baby did one side, I did the other side. For my daughter, she was trying to record, but I get her A for effort. And now I'm gonna go through the dry wash, y'all. The fan we cancel it should still be active. Right?
Yeah.
So just doo-doo. As long as you use it, they're gonna try that damn card. My nose itch, but I'm gonna go through the dry wash, y'all. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you very much. That's like a lot of cars out here. We only want to show nobody license plate though. A lot of cars out here.
Look at outside.
What's up?
You know what's up.
It's a car wash.
You know what's up.
Yay.
Look, briefing this up.
Yeah, he looking like, okay, what's next?
Crazy.
Now time for the car wash. The car is in neutral, y'all. Let's see how Seth is acting. Wow. Seth, look at Seth. You see? You see yourself? Seth, huh?
What's happening?
Oh my God. Wow. I just scared him. Sit back. Good job. Ooh, my eyelids is looking a little off. I'm sleeping on them. Time to take this hair down, y'all. It's sweating out. I thought I could sweat out, but it's sweating out.
Sweat out. Sweat. Ain't no type of way to sweat out.
Ooh, Seth, you see me? See it, Erlen? Ooh, look. Now see the water? Y'all gotta finish take her head down and get home. Yay, Seth. Yay. What's the storage on your phone? Ooh, this is the end of it, y'all. Drying. Why y'all looking like that? Huh? Showing the main roads and shit. See it?
Peace.
You eat a lot of candy, Erlen? Corn in the cup. So y'all, we about to end the video right here. Don't forget to what?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to what, Erlen?
To comment and down below.
And subscribe. and subscribe to our channel, y'all. So we'll see you guys in the next video.